Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage battery saver on Asus ROG Ally. And to do this we'll need to click on the start, open our settings, now enter the system and scroll down for power and battery, scroll down again. There's battery saver. You can click on this arrow to reveal those settings. We have battery saver turned on now. This will enable the power saver or disable it. Then we have turned battery saver on automatically at a certain amount of battery percentage. You can set it to never or always or between 10 to 50%. And there's also lower screen brightness when using battery saver mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.